You the good boy today? Huh? You can go see Star? You gonna give Star kisses? Give her a kiss? There you go. The good boy. Oh, she wants your belly rubbed. Come here. Let's see Star. You good boy? You gonna tell me whose birthday it is today? Careful. You gonna go by the garden? You gonna go by the garden? Come here. Come on, stay over here. Hey, stay over here.